Something's wrong, something's wrong, something's wrong.
We're gonna have to stay in town tonight. We're gonna have to get a hotel at the Motel 6. I don't know. See what happens.
So I need to come and get you? Being married is an adventure. It's relocation day. I'm not gonna say it's moving day because we've been moving, but also we won't make it to Oregon until tomorrow, so we're just headed to Wisconsin. I meant Wyoming. We've got about a 12-hour drive ahead of us still because we just left. And Harley's just chilling on my lap. Situation, the fog outside is horrible, which I hate. It's really hard to see. Super foggy, and Dublin is stressing more than Harley by screaming and running around. These hemp drops for them, hoping that it would help them, and I think it's definitely helping Harley considering he's just like chilling. But Dublin is still stressed. Dublin, you can't sit on your brother. There's a Harley under there. We've made it to Omaha! Woo! Only a few hours into the trip. Still got 10 hours to go. Cats have semi-calmed down, but like not all the way. Y'all ever driven through Nebraska? Very exciting. Very, very exciting. They're being so good. So good. I just missed a Starbucks turnoff, and a really easy one too. So like Drew could maneuver it. But I was way too late. I'm so tired. I need like coffee so bad. Get off your brother. Still on him, but I guess he's not on his head. So that's a plus. Still in Nebraska, 5 days later. That's a joke, it hasn't been 5 days, but it feels like it. I swear we've already passed this cornfield. Also a joke. I'm listening to Disney music because I'm falling asleep, so I can sing along to Disney music.
I'm gonna talk to Roxanne and I feel like a fool. 'Cause after today I'm going cruising. After today she'll be mine. After today
So we are currently stopped at Arby's in Lexington, Nebraska. I feel like we've been in Nebraska for like 5 days now. It's just such a long drive. Drew says we've only got like maybe 2 hours left in the state. Hopefully it's less, I don't know. So there's Harley. And then Dublin's over there in his box. Because I brought it in case I had to go pee. Like, it's a long drive to not use the restroom. And they aren't using it, so he decided to lay in it. Which is fine. He can do what he wants. At least he's calm right now. I'm gonna try to like get into the passenger seat so that he can sit in the driver's seat. They aren't eating either, which I was told that they probably wouldn't, but I wanted to bring everything just in case they did or were hungry. Alright. Woo! I'm really high because of the cat seat. Yay! Thank you.
Hey, baby kitty.
Sorry, I know it's a tight fit, but thought maybe we could sit with each other rather than...
I won't even like you.
talk through a freaking walkie-talkie while we eat.
I don't even like you.
I understand. Alright. Turtle. Dublin has finally calmed down, but still occasionally will like start screaming for no reason. I just like look over and he's just like
in front of the AC?
with the air, yeah. Say hi. No? Okay. Ooh, nice and cold.
Ready to swap?
Yeah, if you just get out, I can crawl back over.
Yes. Ah, so small. Small enough to wiggle around like that. You want to keep that thing in here? Or
No, can you take it? Look what I found! Well, look what Drew found! Now I can stick you guys up on the dash without you falling. Yay! Now you won't fall! You're up there for good. Drew and I were falling asleep, so we both got monsters. I got a classic green one. I haven't had a monster in years because of my heart condition. You know, it would be less scary if you wouldn't be up there. Really. So basically, we're literally only just below halfway. Love that. Super exciting news. We just passed over into Mountain Time Zone, meaning we are one time zone closer to the one we need to be in. Yay! And now the hours of the trip left matches the arrival time, whereas it wasn't for quite a while there and it was confusing me. Update time. So we were driving along the interstate and all of a sudden I get through walkie-talkie from Drew. Something's wrong, something's wrong, something's wrong. Apparently, it started sputtering and died on him. Pretty much in between exits. So I was like, I'll call Dad and figure out what he wants, what he thinks we should do. That's true. Hello?
we're gonna have to stay in town tonight. We're gonna have to get a hotel at the Motel 6. We're just gonna let it cool down and see what happens.
They said nothing looks weird. It might just be overheated.
It could be overheated, or I could have fucked the transmission by putting it in overdrive this whole time. I don't know. We may be going to a dealership here soon. I have a feeling that I fucked the transmission.
God damn it.
I don't know how the hell we're gonna get a car in a few days like this. But yeah, Google it first, see what's going on, and I'll let you know what's going on otherwise.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, baby.
Bye. Yeah, so that's the current situation. There's a hotel behind me, thankfully, right next to the gas station I'm sitting in, so hopefully they allow cats. I'm gonna go figure out a room situation, and I guess we're staying here for the night. All I can say is being married is an adventure.